Okay, we get this question often. If you're leveraging all sorts of OTAs, Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, whatever, how do you manage all of it in one calendar? It's totally possible. First, you've got to link them all together. They'll give you an iCal link, and this is what you plug into. Let's say you're starting on Airbnb and you want to connect it with your listing on VRBO. You just want to install that iCal link into your VRBO, your Vrbo calendar, right? What's even more helpful if you want to step it up and you just have a few properties, not just have a few properties, but you don't have a ton, they're not robust property management softwares like PMSs, but something like Hospitable, which I've used before and I really like what they've got. It'll help you manage all those channels so you've got a calendar that manages all those different channels. You can also have the iCal link feed to a Google Calendar so you can see when guests are checking in and checking out. There are so many options. You kind of got to dive in and figure out what tech you appreciate and like what budget you have, but there's definitely a solution for you.